In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Rediffmail login issues. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then try to log in. This might resolve the issue. Next up, ensure your email ID and password to make sure they are typed correctly. Sometimes mobile views can be tricky, so if you are still facing issue, try using a different browser or enable desktop side mode in your browser's menu. As I'm using the app now, I'm going to switch to the browser version. Launch your preferred browser. Then type in Rediff Mail Login. Then navigate to its official website. Now from here you can try to log into your account. Next up, check the server status of Rediffmail. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in Rediff server status and search for it. Navigate to any of the website and check if there are any outages. In case there are server outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Next, if you are using the web version, you can clear cache for that browser. Launch the browser, click on three dots, navigate to settings. Now head over to the option privacy and security. Click on the option delete browsing data. Click on time range, select all time. Now click on delete data and confirm it. Now you can head back, navigate to the official website of Rediffmail, provide your credentials and try to log in. Lastly, what you can do is click on the option forgot password and try to recover it. And that's it. These are some fixes for Rediffmail login issues. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.